Hello unicorns, welcome back to a new video in my channel Tales of Unicorn. To all the new people here, hi, I'm Harita and in this channel you will get to see some cool travel videos. So this is my second video in the Malaysia series. In my previous video I would have showed you my journey from Chennai to Malaysia and the resort which I stayed in Langkawi. So in this video, I'll be showing you two places that I visited on my day one at Langkawi, which is Underwater World and the KL Tower. More details coming inside the video, so please do not skip it. And if you want to quickly know what are all the places that I visited in Malaysia, you can check out the highlights on my Instagram, which is Tales of Unicorn. Let's get into the video. In Langkawi, you don't have public transport. You have to either book a taxi in the Grab app or you can rent a scooter. So when I compared the prices between both, bikes costed way more cheaper. So I rented this bike from Go Island Scooter Rentals, which was near my resort. Here your Indian license are valid, and for petrol they give it with full tank. So after your usage, you have to return them with full tank. In these petrol stations, first you have to go to the counter and pay the amount for the quantity of petrol you need, and they will load it in the machine automatically. So you have to come back to the machine, just pull out the gun and press the nozzle so that you can fill your petrol. So the petrol rate is around 2 ringgits per liter, which is around 40 Indian rupees. The first stop is Underwater World Aquarium in Langkawi. So this is the entrance, and I booked my tickets through the Klook app. You have to redeem your online tickets here in the counter and then you will be granted entry. So just like any other aquarium, they had a lot of species, aquatic species. They had names for it as well. I'm not going to be showing you everything, only those which I find interesting. The whole area was like a forest setup. The environment was really cool and it was full of greenery, so you can definitely enjoy this place. Also, one thing I wanted to share, like at the end of the trip, I felt Langkawi itinerary could have been planned better. So you can watch the videos as references of places, but if you want to plan your itinerary much more effectively, you can message me on my Instagram Tales of Unicorn, where I can suggest you places and activities which were much better than mine. This is my first time seeing penguins and I was very excited because they look so cute. They swim, they come in different shapes, they also walk like humans, and I would say it was definitely a treat to the eyes. The coral world was also depicted so beautifully, and I would say if you are coming with your family or with kids, then you can definitely visit this place. And if you're just friends or couples and if it doesn't fit into your itinerary, you can skip this place. Once you come out of the underwater world, there's a big duty free shopping area where there are a lot of chocolates with lot of combos as well. So make sure to carry your shopping bag so that you can buy something for your family and friends back in India. While buying alcohol, keep in mind the quantity that you can carry back to your home airport, and also make sure to carry it in transparent sealed bags. The next spot is Maha Tower Langkawi, which is nearby Dataran Lang, the eagle statue of Langkawi. So it's actually a long drive from my resort. So let's go. The Maha Tower is 138-meter tall and it's completely surrounded by waters. But when you go to the top of the tower, you'll be able to witness a 360-degree view of Langkawi. First, you will be taken to the observation deck where they will serve you varieties of Malaysian snacks. You also get some beverages and you will have some time to chill and take photos in this observation deck. After some time, you'll be taken to the 18th floor, which is the sky deck, and that is the place where you will get a complete 360-degree view of Langkawi. Here you have glass floor as well. From my experience, I would not recommend this place much because it just had views and snacks, and we had to pay a bomb for it. So you can skip this place. The Eagle Square is a 3-kilometer drive from Maha Tower, and why people come to visit this eagle statue, because Langkawi in itself means brown eagle in Malay language, and it basically means an island of birds, especially eagles. So people symbolize this eagle statue as a main tourist attraction for Langkawi. So that was my day one, where I took a flight from Kuala Lumpur to Langkawi, checked into my resort and visited the Underwater World Aquarium and the Maha Tower. I also booked a sunset cruise ferry which was cancelled last minute. I was disappointed, but as I said, I could have planned much better. So that's it for this video, and I really hope it was informative to you. So if you like the video, please do consider giving it a thumbs up. In the next video, I'll be showing you some cool places like the Sky Cab and the Pantai Chenang Beach. So to watch them, please do subscribe and press the bell icon to stay notified, guys. And if you want to connect with me, my Instagram handle is Tales of Unicorn. So I'll see you real soon in that video. Until then, unleash the unicorn in you.